NIO, due to its rapid growth and unique strategies, grabs some curious investors worldwide. Here's great news for those who want to know more. What's the winning thrust of NIO? What are the likelihoods of NIO making it to the top as the global market leader? Why investors prefer NIO as a safer bet? All stock investors and enthusiasts, let's gear up and take some big swings. If you want to know the answers, make sure to watch the video till the end. Welcome to Stock Investing 101, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Hello future billionaires, and welcome back to a brand new video. NIO emerged as a pioneering company based in China and had gone through significant ups and downs throughout their venture. The company started its journey in 2014 as a small startup and now are playing their game essentially. The company soon garnered investors in the local market due to its potential and business strategies. They rose from ground zero to hero as an electric vehicle startup. Over time, they increased their efficiency and made it to the top 10 leading auto manufacturer lists. The company focuses on expanding its network and efficiency around autonomous driving and artificial intelligence. Possibly NIO has had rapid growth due to their driving innovations serving as the next generation technology. The data used to develop the algorithm and the unique, sophisticated touch to the software and battery power are other factors influencing its great success. They are currently a premium luxury brand in the SUV category and is on its way to surpassing its rival in the upcoming days after the most anticipated announcement made on NIO Day. The selling rates or delivery quantities of NIO is much higher than the competing companies in the EV industry. All the companies are in a race to surpass the global market leaders, Tesla, to emerge as the sector's king. Chinese EV makers NIO haven't failed in grabbing the attention of worldwide stock investing communities due to its offerings being given out and marked earnings growth. Now let's take a look at NIO's stock and trade. JP Morgan has increased the price target of NIO stocks from $50 to $75. It has caused a boom in the stock market. Are NIO stocks overvalued? Is it a great buy? Here are the answers to that. The NIO is trading at 18.6 times its consensus 2021 revenues. The company's market cap, NIO NYSE, reached $89.65 billion, overtaking Ford and General Motors. The shares rose over 15%, hence justifying the JP Morgan valuation. All the companies are compiling all the efforts, trying hard to fend off their rivals. Despite all the steps, the pandemic has hit hard on reality. NIO has higher growth rates than Tesla. NIO is valued at 26 times extended 2020 revenues, while Tesla trades were at 12 times 2020 revenues. NIO also outperforms Tesla in terms of semi-autonomous solutions launched and assisted driving. In short, it's a great pick if you're planning to buy NIO stocks. The solutions put forward by NIO are comparatively better than Tesla due to China's difficult traffic conditions. Tesla's shares fell 5%. XPeng's shares fell 4%. NIO rebounded to close down 2.35% at 57 on the stock market today. After bouncing in and out of the buy range, the company sold shares to raise funding for network expansion and market efficiency. The average share volume currently is 179,073,658. It's quite marveling how they emerged to be one of the best in the industry in this short period. The Chinese authorities have accentuated its vision of reducing the gasoline-fueled cars used in the country to electric vehicles by 50% to reduce pollution. It's caused the EV market to boom and created a great potential for its growth. According to the new policy, 50% of new vehicles must be shifting to alternative energy than depleting gasoline fuels. It provides more space for development. There is a high chance of margins and valuations improving, and that's why investing in the EV industry has become the primary motive for many investors, given its growth in coming years. What are NIO's revenue and offerings? After facing liquidity problems and fire reports earlier in the year, NIO has managed to spin the wheel to hit the right point. The revenue earned in the second quarter of 2020 is $526.4 million, concluding an increase of 146.5% from the second quarter of 2019. Also an increase from its first quarter in 2020, with a hike of 171.1% upgrades. In December 2020, the company made some eccentric share offerings that captivated the attention worldwide. They offered 68 million American depository shares for $39 per share. and expected pursuant of the additional option of 10.2 million American depository shares to underwriters granted an opportunity to purchase within 30 days. The company used the net amount to proceed with their research, new product development network, sales expansion, and all the market development procedures and rituals. The revenue is supposed to double to $5 billion in 2021 as per the speculations of analysts, so far justifying its valuation given by JP Morgan. A record of 7,000 cars was delivered in December, adding a milestone in its venture. Innovation at its best. China is best known for the mass production of their products due to the cheap rates of raw materials and labour costs. In the beginning, NIO raised their funds through investments from several state-owned companies. Chinese market and authority favour domestic automotive companies to pave the path to more development. Due to its sustained growth and operational efficiency, NIO has set up their factories to produce its new products. Initially, they struggled in meeting the high demands of the market and now have improved their technologies for mass production, enabling them to move forward a step in the intensive competition. The local rivals of NIO are XPeng, BYD and Li Auto. NIO has brought a great innovation base. NIO was the first to make a significant impact by launching a car model using Mobileye's iQ4 vision chip. The company delivered over 36,000 cars in 2020, hence an increase of 111.1% year-over-year can be observed. In December 2018, ES6, a 5-seater, launched, and later EC6, a 5-seater electric coupe SUV, was set up. In 2018, ES8, a 7-car-seater SUV, was established, and after the production, delivery started in September 2020. A variant of the same, a 6-seater, was launched in March 2019. Base is known as the unique battery as a subscription service. NIO introduced batteries that can be recharged, swapped, and upgraded. They also established power swapping stations for the same in 14 different locations, gaining a goal against Tesla. This technique of using base helped reduce the price of NIO vehicles by about 25%. The low battery costs generated admirable annual production capacity, causing a hike in the margins. After going through treacherous paths, NIO is up against the rivals by confirming the news of their new ET7 sedan on NIO Day. After setting its trademark as a premium luxury brand in the SUV category, NIO is prepared to create a new milestone through its new electric ET7 sedan. The car is close enough in resembling an Audi 7 outlook. They are focusing on the system and technology and the performance of the vehicle. Initially, the car had a 100 kilowatts per hour powered battery. They have processed a bigger volume battery pack of 150 kilowatts per hour, which would be soon available by 2022, hence hitting the range to 220 miles, which outpaces and performs many electric vehicle manufacturers. The new electric sedan, equipped with LiDAR technology, a high-resolution camera, and NVIDIA processors, is going to scale up the production of the company. The technology put forward is potential enough in surpassing the rival companies to occupy their position. There has been a hike of 121% after confirming the new sedan launch on NIO Day. Therefore, deliveries increased by 32.43%. The infrastructure of EVs produced by NIO are with improved algorithms than the rival companies. Using artificial intelligence will serve as an innovation to outpace the financial status and valuations concerning other companies. The analysts accentuate that the company will continue to grow in the domestic market and their global debut will also be a hit. Future updates and collabs. NIO is collaborating with Tesla's supplier CATL, lithium iron phosphate batteries. They have also signed a deal with Intel to create driverless robo-taxis in 2022. In November 2019, NIO announced a partnership with the company, Mobileye, in developing a consumer car equipped with a complete Level 4 autonomous system. The vehicle is confirmed to be available in the market by 2022. I hope now you have a clearer picture of why NIO has excellent potential in the global market and why it's safe to buy. NIO has indeed gone through a fascinating trajectory of growth. NIO is all set to make an international appearance in Europe given its competitive spirit and innovations. Investors and analysts around the globe claim NIO will surpass the major leading automotive companies by 2022. That's all for today, folks. I hope you got some idea of what's happening with the most anticipated NIO stocks. With all these happenings in the NIO world, including the upgradation of the battery pack and upon receiving a fair valuation from analysts, it's quite sure that it's essentially going to do well in the coming years. So keep an eye out for the NIO stocks, which will indeed explode, which we are quite sure of, inferring from their sustained track records. And if things go well for NIO, it could become the next Tesla, or perhaps go way ahead of Tesla. If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued stocks in the market right now.